name is Graham Ziffer. I'm COO of New Standard Corporation, and I've been with the business for just over 9 years. New Standard's in its 4th generation of ownership. We really started the company way back in the 1930s, focusing on final products, meat grinders, different kitchen appliances, and we really morphed the business into more of a high-volume metal stamping and fabrication shop. We have expertise in recently very complex assemblies. So we really work alongside and integrate with the OEMs from product design to product delivery. We service many different markets, ranging from construction, mining, and agriculture to power generation, HVAC, and commercial trucking.
My name is Dave Porter. I'm Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing here. I've been at New Standard for 26 years now. In general, New Standard is a company that people really don't know, but yet it's a company that touches everybody's life almost every day. And if they've pumped gas in the last week, they've used something that we've produced.
My name is Mike Springer. By title, I'm the Vice President of Human Resources. Why New Standard? I've got a great answer for that. We engaged with the company by the name of Carpedia. The focus of that was to take our efficiencies to a higher level, which we've been able to do. We implemented a brand new ERP system. We are working on investment in capital. Right outside that wall, from where I'm talking right now, is a brand new laser machine that is just about ready to be put into production. It's an incredible technological advancement for us. It will allow us to do things quicker, cheaper, better. Investment in our people. We're taking the time to invest in our associates now, recognizing the need for talent in the future.
And we really work hand in hand with our customers on value engineering opportunities. We do quarterly visits. We really try and approach our relationships as these are meaningful, right? So not only to our customers, but to our people and the other extensions of our business. We really try and figure out how to integrate all of that.
So where do I see New Standard in a decade? I see New Standard really staying true to the mission statement, really continuing to grow the revenue and providing job security to our people.
I see us being recognized as a local employer of choice, no matter what community we're working in and what facility we're talking about, because we represent what folks want to become a part of.